Okay, hello, good morning. What is your name? Good. How old are you? Years old. Are you a boy or a girl? Very good. Now let us count. What number is this? What number is this? What is this? Flower. Now you count how many flowers? One. Can you point? Where's number 2? Very good. What is this? Frog. Can you count how many frogs? One. Where's number 5? Very good. What is this? Car. How many car? 1. What is this? Fish. Can you count how many fish? Where's number 3? Very good. What fruit is this? Strawberry. Can you count how many? Where's number 4? Alright, very good. Can you tell me what fruit is this? Very good. What fruit is this? What fruit is this? Orange. What animal is this? Dog. Alright. What color is this?
Red.
What color is this? What color is this? Very good. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? Very good. Did you take swimming? Yes. I see your hair so wet. Who do you see? Alright. Who do you see? Who do you see? Very good. Who are these? Who is this? 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 Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Bathtub. Alright. What is this? See? Alright. What is this? Slide. What is... Okay. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Pick up one thing and you go.